Hi everybody. Thanks for coming and joining me. I have my blow dryer out. That means it's time to do a Dutch pour. So I have picked out some colors here. Phthalo blue, cobalt blue, violet, emerald green, and pearl. These are all Master's Touch paints, I believe, and they're mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and then I added water to thin them down for the Dutch pour. This is a folk art paint, the pearl, so this is 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then again I thinned it down to make it the right consistency for the Dutch pour. So that's what we're going to use today. I have my white mixed up. This is my Glidden house paint mixed 1 part house paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then I thinned it down again so that you can see it's disappearing very quickly. If I hold it up high, it's going straight in. If I hold it down low, it's leaving just a trace and disappearing almost immediately. So let's get started. Put my house paint down. Reserve some of it. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And I have something a little different in mind as far as the Dutch pour goes. Okay, so this is what I have in mind. I want to do a swoop up from this corner up to almost that corner, and then another swoop this way. So, I'll start out with my cobalt blue. I put all these in little paper cups so that I could pour them a little bit easier, make a spout. I do mix my paints up in squeeze bottles, but they're more of a medium consistency, and for this I want them a little bit thinner. That was my phthalo blue. This is my emerald green. This is my violet. Kind of hoping my center point would be up a little bit higher. Didn't quite make it. This is my cobalt blue. Do some pearl. Go back in with my colors. I don't think I got them quite as thick as I wanted them. a little bit of the white paint around it. Help it flow. Okay, here we go. Okay, I've got some beautiful cells coming out. Didn't quite work out the way that I wanted. I was hoping to have it look a little bit different than this, have the composition a little different. I can work on that. I don't like it. I think I'm going to take this off. Off. Okay, more white paint. Spread that out here. My palette knife, and I'm just going to move this, covering the canvas. Okay, really like the lacing in here. There's a little bit too much white. I'm gonna stretch it up. It's kind of looking like a wave now. What I want to do is I have a little bit of my phthalo blue. In here. Might need a little more. A bit of the violet. More of this cobalt. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll go ahead with the pearl. Okay, and what I'm going to do is kind of move it up and out just a little bit. See how that works out. That's more what I was looking for. I like that. Beautiful cells. Tilt it a little bit. Not sure if I like that little spot right there or not. This is kind of, I'm gonna get my straw and blow on it right here. Right in here is a little bit too white, isn't it? What can I do? What can we do? We can put some violet. Got some pretty cells, but they're just so white right in there. I can squeeze a little bit more of this phthalo blue out. Not much coming out of there. Just drizzle a little bit of white behind. Okay, a little bit of green. And I'm going to try and blow it up towards, I'm going to blow it this way first and then pull it out that way. That's better. Like that. Starting to cell up in there a little bit. Bring some of that blue out. Oh, I like that. I like it, I like it. Give you a close up. Side. And across. light wispies up there. Some really awesome cells, and I see I've got one dot of blue in there. Let's see what I can do with that to fix it up. Right there. Let's see. I think I'll turn it around. Beautiful. That worked out well. It's purple. But it's moved very nicely. So, there we go, guys. Very interesting Dutch pour. A little bit different movement than we're used to seeing. Let me know what you think. I just gotta show you again these cells over here. Look at that. Those are so cool. And get some up here. That cobalt blue and the violet together. All right, let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for visiting with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.